Okay, so we're replacing an iload driver side mirror. I'm going to use our panel tool here. Pop this one. Pop this one. So we have 1 and 2 go here. Then we're going to use a 10mm for this one and a 10mm for this one. I'm going to leave this one connected just with a couple of turns so it doesn't fall off. Using flat blade screwdriver. Just push that in and pull the cable out. That's out of the way. Pushing it down now, I can see there's another 10mm in a really hard to get to spot. So I'm going to use this. About a 10mm. And there. It's going to be the tough one. Hopefully we won't have to pull the panel trim off to get this off. Okay, it's on. Nope, still needs more. It's going to be extremely hard to get it back in. And the foam keeps turning my ratchet into the other direction, which is not good. There's that one. Use my fingers, I don't want to lose my socket. Just undoing it by hand. Might take my socket out now before it drops. There's my screw. A couple last turns I'll just do by hand. Here it comes. Careful not to drop it, otherwise the whole panel has to come off. Now we take this top one off. Okay, looking at this now, it should just be a push and a pull. There seems to be one more at the front. So that's 4 screws, 1 plug to get it out. Okay, a push and a pull. Gasket's still kind of holding it in position. Okay, there we go. So there it is there without its gasket. Here's our new one. Here's our new one here. Here's our nuts. We'll just prepare it. It's already got the gasket fitted, so we'll probably use this gasket. Okay, so here's our gasket. We'll just take that off. Let's just have a look at the surface. Okay, our surface is good. Let's push this back through. Okay. We don't want it to fall. Okay, I put one screw in it just to start off with. It's got enough bolts, might even be able to just leave that bottom one out if needed. There's one bolt in, now it's definitely not going anywhere. Put in this front one. Second bolt's almost in, a couple more turns, that's in nice and tight. Third bolt. Now this is the most trickiest bolt of all. This bolt down here. Using two fingers just to get it in there. Use my hand just to rotate and to start it. Okay, it's started. So I think we've got a good chance of putting that back in. Making sure our shifter's going the right way. That's undoing. That's tightening. It's a little bit too big, so we can get it on. One turn at a time. This would have to be the hardest screw out of all of them. Hardest nut, the hardest bolt. And that's it. It's in. It's tight. Take my nut back. Take my socket set back out without losing the top bit. Okay, digging deep and pulling back my wire. Okay, so this can only go in one way. It's got the clip on this side. Has to go in nice and square, like so. Clip. Okay. Now putting this back on. This should be a push fit. Lining up one, lining up two. Big thump. Okay, you got the keys? You got the keys?
Yeah, that'll be alright, 16 players, yeah. That'll be alright.
Okay, let's test. Go right, left, right, down, up, and there we are, fitted. Outside, it's perfect. Mirror. Tight, everything's tight. Yep, it's tight, job done.